All right, this video is about Practical Theory lesson number 8. It's a review of lessons 5 through 7. Like I've told you before, these review lessons are a review of the prior 3 lessons. And that's just how it works. So, with lesson 8, we're reviewing lesson 5, lesson 6, and lesson 7. First question asks you the duration of musical sound is indicated by different types of blank. Now, it's musical sound, not silence. So you have to think, what do we call those things that represent sound in music? And then, of course, the answer goes in that blank right there. One whole note equals 2 of these type of notes. That's number 2. All right. So one whole note. Now, if you take a whole note and you split it in 2, what do you get? Those are what the name of the note is. Number 3, 2 half notes equal how many whole notes? Now, if you think about it, number 3 kind of gives you the answer to number 2, doesn't it? Number 4, 4 quarter notes equal how many half notes? Number 5, 2 quarter notes equal 1 of this type of note. Number 6, stems go up if notes are below the line. Number 7, stems go down if the notes are on or above the line. Number 8, stems going up are attached to the blank side of the note head. Number 9, stems going down are attached to the blank side of the note head. Question 10, music is divided into blank, separated by blank lines. Question 11. The end of a piece of music is indicated by a blank blank line. Number 12. The top number of a blank blank shows the number of beats in each measure. Now I know I've told you kids that a bunch of times what that top number does, so you should remember that. Number 13, the bottom number of a time signature shows what kind of note gets blank beat. And number 14, in 4/4 time, there are blank beats in each measure, and a blank note gets 1 beat. All right, now we continue on down the page. Question 15. All you got to do is write the beats under the notes below. Now, obviously, there's a 4/4 time signature. So what you gonna do with that? Got to write the number of the beats under the measures. All right. So then all you got to do is count to 4, right? Because 4/4 means 4 beats in a measure. See how I'm doing that here? And you just keep doing that for the rest of that number 15. All right, number 16, you have to add bar lines in the following example. Now, since this is 4/4 time again, you already know that there's 4 beats in a measure. You just have to figure out every 4 beats and put a bar line in, and I'll even show you the first couple ones right here. All right, so that's the first one because a quarter note gets 1 beat, and a half note gets 2 beats. So 1 plus 2 is 3. And since this one right here is a quarter note, that's another beat. So 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So then you got to draw another bar line after you figure the next 4 beats. And you just got to keep doing that for the rest of number 16. Now we get to number 17. It says fill in the missing beats with the correct note values. And you can only write 1 note in each measure. Just 1 note. Not 2, just 1. All right, just 1 note. It has to be a note. not a rest. So in that first measure, again, we're in 4 times. So we know that 4 beats in a measure. So we've got a half note, which is 2. Got a quarter note, which is 1. So then we know we only have one option. Got to be a quarter note. Sorry about that. I picked the wrong tool there. Quarter note, there we go. All right. Now in that next measure, I'll even do that one for you. You got 2 quarter notes, so 1 plus 1 is 2. That means we have 2 beats to go. So it's got to be a half note. And you got to finish the rest of that one. Now, in all the lines above, except for number 15, so in 16 and 17, you're going to have to write the beats under the measures again, just like you did with 15. So it's real easy. Just got to go back and just count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just keep doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, just keep doing that for the rest of those. And that's it. You'll be all done. Good luck.